What is up, chat? So today we at a car meet, man, and we got the Stain guy, and that bitch is dirty. I'm gonna let y'all see that bitch.
Hey, that thing sound good, big dog. What you got done to it?
Not much. Yeah, I got the tone on 93.
Nice.
Just throttle body spaces. Throttle body spacer. Change the full pack. I mean, it ain't really much.
That sounds good.
It's because of the Roush. I got a Roush on. Oh my goodness. Here go the 3 valve. Y'all can't hear me over that chopping car over there. But my car is here. It's dirty though. See what I'm saying? I'm finna wash it. Probably after the car meet, I'm gonna let y'all see. Ooh, they got this little C5 over there. C6s. Chad, look at that bed. Oh my gosh. Ew. He got the new SRT8 with the track out front end. Look at that BMW. Chad, look at that big. That boy got a big old damn LS6. Chad, look at the SS, man. Got the SS seats in there. Bit much scatty waddy. See what I'm saying? Another BMW with the turbo ski in that bitch. Man. Y'all, we got the cat motherfucker. It look like a painted supercharged, I don't know, chat.